So, sir, did the president actually confront Chinese Premier Li Keqiang about China's incursions into the West Philippine Sea? Did he ask China to stop their activities in this?
No.
Did he raise the arbiter ruling during the ASEAN-China summit?
No. What he said was the usual policy that the president has been saying all along, that every country must be rules-based, meaning we will have to respect international law. We will have to respect the UNCLOS. We cannot be forcing others to succumb to another country's power. In other words, we should be treating each other equally and fairly.
Sir, what was the reaction of the Chinese premier to the president's call to practice self-restraint in the disputed region?
Well, I think the Chinese premier is in a...